I run the downloaded software. I follow the prompts to install the License Manager. I may have to reboot my PC during the installation. Now, I open the Automation License Manager. In the left-hand pane, I click on Online Software Delivery. I use the Login option. Then I log into the Online Software Delivery site. At the confirmation window, I verify my name and address. Then I check both boxes in the window and press Continue. The Online Software Delivery window appears. I click on the Transfer Licenses button under the entry for the license I purchased. I drag and drop this button and drop it on the Windows C drive in the left-hand pane to transfer the license. Once the license transfers, a green check mark appears on the Transfer Licenses button. I can expand the tree under the Windows C drive to view the licenses I just transferred. I click on Online Software Delivery again. Now I click on Download under Software Files and Documents. A window opens and displays the software files for the TIA Portal V16 purchase. I can download the TIA Portal and WinCC software as DVD image files called ISO files. Since I do not have a way to burn the ISO files onto DVD media, I return to the Siemens support site. I enter 109.772.803 in the search window to go directly to the page where I can download the TIA Portal V16 files in an executable file format. I scroll down to the second set of downloadable files that include Step 7 Basic and Professional, Step 7 Safety Basic and Advanced, and WinCC Professional. I download all the zip files for DVD1, DVD2, DVD3, and S7 PLC SIM by clicking on each one at a time. I want to make sure all files are downloaded to the same file directory. Once all of the files are downloaded, I find the exe file for DVD1, which begins with TIA Portal Step 7 and ends in version 16. I run this file, and the installation begins. I accept all the default settings and prompts as I advance through the installation. When I reach the License Terms window, I check both boxes at the bottom of the window. On the next window, I accept the Security and Permissions checkbox at the bottom of the window. When the installation completes, which may take up to an hour, I will need to reboot my computer. I repeat this process for DVD2, DVD3, and S7 PLC SIM files. I run the exe file associated with each group of files. The installation process is the same for these files as I went through for DVD1. Once all of the products have been installed, I start TIA Portal version 16. I verify that I can open TIA Portal, load a program, make some edits, and save the program. It looks like my installation is successful. In this video, I demonstrated how to purchase, download, install, and properly license TIA Portal version 16. Including the PLC Simulator program and WinCC Professional. Want to learn PLC programming in an easy-to-understand format and take your career to the next level? Head on over to realpars.com.